Joshua Barakia.
And I am Parjitro Buscado.
And today we are going to make the experiment. And these are the materials that we are going to use. First, a breadboard, jumper wires, LED,
Potentiometer,
yun, Zener diode, and a
and
resistor. And we also use a transformer.
And it's not a big deal. And the result, we put our resistor, and then we put our jumping wire. Then we have a Zener diode that is connected to a positive and negative side. Then our jumping wire is connected to a potentiometer. Then another jumping wire is connected to a negative side of our LED. Then when it comes here, our LED is connected to a jumping wire that is returned to a negative side of the Zener diode.
So karon ang sila namang question nga, what happen if R and RL have the same resistance value? First, these are the circuits. First, V is equals to VL is equals to RL times VI over R plus RL. So, namatay value sa RL nga 1 kilo ohms times na to sa 12 nga VI over sa 1 kilo ohms plus 1 kilo ohms. So, makakam up ta og load resistance ay load voltage nga 6 volts. Therefore, ang V is greater than or equal to VZ. Dako man ang iyang kwan. Mas dako pa man iyang VI. So morning iyang circuits is on. Nan sunod mag-solve ta sa Zener current is equals to IR minus IL. So IL is equals to VL over RL. So naman tayo VL nga 6 over ubiyan to sa RL nga 1000. So naka-answer ta og 6 milliampere. So IR is equals to VR over R. Natay value sa VR nga 5.8. Gikan dire sa formula na to nga VR is equals to VI minus VL. So morning makakam up ta og 5.8 volts. Dahil natay resistance nga 1000. Morning makakam up ta og IR nga 5.8 milliampere. So atong Zener current makakwanta by kani 5.8 times 10 raised to negative 3 minus 6 times 10 raised to negative 3. Morning makakam up ta og answer nga negative 2 times 10 raised to 4 ampere. So magkuha tag power. So Zener power is equals to Zener voltage o Zener current. So naman tayo Zener voltage nga 6.2. Then times na to sa Zener current nga negative 2 times 10 raised to negative 4. So morning makakam up tawag makakuha answer nga negative 1.24 milliwatts. So since R and RL are equal, the current flowing through them will also be equal. In practical terms, having R and RL with the same resistance value means that the voltage across the load RL will be half of the input voltage. Also, the current to the load RL will be half of the total current. The power delivered to the load RL will be also half of the total power. And that's all. Thank you.